Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can copy products from other Shopify stores. Now this is going to be a quick video. So first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store, of course. Now after that you want to click here where it says settings, as you can see at the very bottom left, and after that you want to click on apps and sales channels, and then you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. And after, guys, you click on Shopify App Store, what you need to do, guys, now is to download an app that will help you import or copy products from other stores, okay, to your Shopify store. Now if you want to import products from your own Shopify store to another Shopify store, like they are both yours, you want to import products between them, like you want to send products from X store to Y store, you can do that. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can do that at the end of this video. Now if you want to import products from other stores, like it can be your friend's store, your like another like a random store, you can easily import products to your own Shopify store from there. For example, if you like their product, like if you want to import like the descriptions and the titles and everything, you can do that. Okay, so what you guys need to do is you want to download an app. It's called Robo. Okay, now this is the app. It's called the Robo Product Importer. You want to click on install and click again on install. Okay, so after, guys, you click on install, now you want to click here where it says here it says here install our free Chrome extension. You want to click here next to it, get extension here, and then you want to click on add to Chrome and click on add to add extension. Now after that you want to click here the extensions icon in the top. Okay, click on it, and then you want to pin the extension in the top. Click on this pin icon. Nice. Now you want to go to the product page. Okay, it can be your own Shopify store. You just need to open the products on your own Shopify store, okay, or another Shopify store. Just open the product page like this, and you want to click on the extension in the top and then click on add to Shopify. And after, guys, you click on add to Shopify, then what you guys need to do next is you can also make some changes to the product. For example, the description, as you can, the images. I'm going to select all images. Click on select all images. You can also make some changes to the description if you want. As you can see, this is exactly the price of the product. You can change the price of the product if you want. After that, you want to click on import here, and then you want to click on add product to Shopify, and this exact product will be like added to your own Shopify store. Just give it a few seconds and this product will say import has been successfully. As you can see, it's going to appear here. Now that's exactly, guys, how you can copy up like products from other stores. Now in case you want to add products from your own Shopify store to another Shopify store, you can do that. Just go to the product page here where it's, as you can see, you could just need to go to the dashboard of your Shopify store, and you want to click here where it says export. Okay, and here you want to select how many products you want. First select here the products that you want to import or to add to another Shopify store, and then click on export and then click on selected, and here X products, click on export products. And you want now go to the Shopify store where you want to add these products to. I'm going to add them to this Shopify store. Click on products, and you want to click here where it says import. Now then you want to add the file here. This is the file. A file will be downloaded after you click on download, and then click on upload and preview. Click on import products and give it a few seconds, and the products will appear here on your own Shopify store. Okay, now I hope, guys, this video helped you. If it does, leave a like. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just go to the comments below and tell me exactly what are your questions, and I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video. Drop a like. See you.